how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2024 into 2025. From hitting the required milestones to joining the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP, and exploring other revenue of streams of income like sponsorships and affiliate marketing. This is a step-by-step guide for beginners. As you already know that people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, even 70s are starting YouTube channels, and some of them are a little bit confused how to do all of this. Stick to this channel and you will definitely going to learn how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow the channel, how to monetize the channel, and other ways of making streams of income on your YouTube channel. Anyways, let's get to it as quickly as possible. So in case you're wondering, my name is Clantis and this is Clantis on Business. And today, as I have already mentioned, I'm going to walk you through how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2024, 2025. Whether you are just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, this guide is perfect just for you, my friend, my business partner. So let's dive in. Oh, by the way, the reason why you are not seeing my face today is because I've got this zit that is sitting right above my lip and I can't be seen. I think for the next few videos, you may not see my face until I have healed from this one. Anyways, let's start with step one, YouTube Partner Program requirements, okay? So you already know that you start your YouTube channel and you must acquire 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Or the new way of also monetizing your channel is to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts of views over 90 days. All right. And then the other way of monetizing your channel is having 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, or you must have 3 million views in the past 90 days. And then you are eligible for monetization. Now, you must also make sure that you follow all the YouTube monetization policies and live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Not every country has the YouTube Partner Program available to the YouTubers there. So just make sure that the country that you are in, there is YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner Program basically is an invitation that YouTube sends you once you become eligible for monetization. Just like we've already mentioned, that you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. And that makes you eligible for monetization. Now, I know it sounds a little bit challenging because the watch hours are very challenging. Even this channel itself is experiencing some watch hours of challenges, but I'm going to share some tips in a minute to help you hit these milestones a little bit quicker, unlike what's happening here. But I know it's just a matter of me also being very consistent in order to get things going. So now let's go to step two. This is to enable your two-step verification and monetization. So just because you created a YouTube channel, it doesn't end there. You are gonna get like pop-ups on your phone if you created your YouTube channel via your phone, or even on your laptop. You will still get these pop-ups, pop-up text messages, basically asking you to do the two-step verification or enable your two-step verification. This is basically to protect your YouTube channel from getting hijacked, because there are very unscrupulous people somewhere in the world always looking out for channels like yours to hijack, especially once you get the channel monetized, because all they want is that check of yours that you've worked so hard for during the course of the month. So the two-step verification, this is exactly what it does. It protects you from channel hijackers. Once you've hit these milestones, the next step is to enable two-step verification on your Google account for security. Then go to your YouTube studio, navigate to monetization, and click apply now. Like I said, sometimes you will get an invitation. All you do is just follow that link. Even though these days I would actually say do not click on any link that you get from a text message, WhatsApp, or things like that. Rather go to your YouTube studio. There you can trust that process and apply there. This will kick off the process of joining the YouTube Partner Program. If you are not going to enable the two-step verification, unfortunately, you will not be able to monetize your channel. So just make sure that you have no community guideline strikes. What do I mean by that? I mean that you must make sure that you've read all the YouTube policies. This is something that many people skip on doing, and they find themselves in trouble with the YouTube channels either getting deleted or the channel gets monetized and gets demonetized immediately. YouTube picks up that your channel did violate community guidelines and got community guideline strikes. And this can actually jeopardize your monetization if you're not monetized yet and you have violated community guidelines. So just be careful with that one. And your content must meet all the rules set by YouTube. Make sure that the content that you are creating is within the bounds of the YouTube policies. You see, I'm going to keep emphasizing this because this is where many YouTubers fail, especially beginner YouTubers, not reading the YouTube Partner Program rules. Very important, including the what I call the channel rules that YouTube has for us. Now let's go to step number 3. This is ad revenue and monetization features. So you will find that there are 3 different types of ad revenue features that you are going to find on your your monetization. Once you are eligible, I would say turn them all on. Every one of them, turn them on, okay? Because YouTube is going to invite you to turn on these features. You can actually turn on some and turn off some. And I'm going to say if you want to maximize your revenue income on YouTube, turn them all on. What are these revenue and monetization features? So once you've been approved, I'm happy for you and congratulations for that. And make sure that from this point on, you start working, because that's when the work begins once you get monetized. Now, when you are working towards monetization. Now you can start making money through ads. YouTube offers several types of ads. The first one is pre-roll ads. So these are the 2 ads before your video starts. I don't know if you've seen other people's videos and then you saw 2 ads playing before the video started, and some of you skip those ads. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn as a YouTuber. You would like people to watch those 2 ads in the beginning because that's how you earn. Those are called pre-roll ads before the video starts. And then the second one is mid-roll ads for longer videos. Now, YouTube used to they used to add mid-roll ads from 10-minute long videos. About 2 or 3 years ago, they reduced that from 8 minutes. So if you want to earn some decent amount of money with your YouTube videos, make sure that your videos are as long as 8 minutes and above, and there you can get mid-roll ads, okay? And then the third one is displayed ads on the side of your video. I don't know if you've seen how an ad will come on, and just below the video you will see that same ad that was playing is now displayed just at the bottom of your video. Sometimes if you're watching on desktop, it's going to be right at the top on the right hand side of the screen. So those are the 3 different types of ads that you are going to get. Back in the day, they used to be like these bumper sticker ads. They've since removed them, I think about a year or 2 ago. Okay, so these ads, I would advise you to turn them all on. Anything that is going to make you money on YouTube, turn it all on. Now, but ads aren't the only way to monetize. Let's talk about some other additional ways of making money on YouTube to boost your earnings. Now we're going to step number 4. So once you've become eligible for monetization and you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube therefore will also unlock membership. But your membership would have been unlocked once you have qualified for the 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time requirements, and you've met them. You will see those unlocking, which is memberships, super chats, super stickers, and super thanks, as well as a merchandise store that you would see on your YouTube studio. So basically, that is what you will have to turn on as well the moment that YouTube unlocks those features. So you can enable channel memberships. Channel memberships, it is where you post exclusive content to your community. I'm talking about your die-hard community members here. Some people call them fans. I don't call them fans at all. I'd rather call people community members, because you are building a community after all. So now you can turn on the channel membership, and then you can charge people a monthly fee from $1 all the way to whatever amount you feel it is necessary, or you feel your content is worth for people that are going to be viewing exclusively. So now they can view this and pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges and behind the scenes content. Those are real fun, by the way. They're quite fun to do, because even there, the freedom is quite nice, because I'm not saying use profanity, but you can use as much. It's not like with the public video where you have to be very careful with profanity. There's also super chats and super thanks. Now with super chat, it is when you go live and somebody wants to skip the queue of all the live chats you're going to see there, they will purchase what you call a super chat. And that super chat, when you see it, you have to pay attention to it, give it priority, and read it out, skipping all the other people that have not paid. A super thanks, basically, you're going to find it in all of your videos. Just at the bottom of your video, you will see the $ with thanks in it. That is where people can donate to the video, basically by saying, thank you for this content. I appreciate it. Some people understand how difficult it is to create content, and as a result, they super thank you. So these allow viewers to donate during live streams or in regular videos. This is a great way to engage with your most loyal community members and earn some extra cash. That's how other YouTubers make a lot of money outside of Google AdSense. Now let's go to step number 5, which is other alternative monetization methods to make money. And this is where many YouTubers thrive. As a matter of fact, this is where many YouTubers become multi-millionaires with their YouTube channels, by using these alternative monetization methods. Now, what do I mean by that? Even if you are not in the YouTube Partner Program, meaning that you are not eligible for monetization, you haven't reached any of these 2 requirements to monetize your channel, you can still monetize your channel but outside of the YouTube Partner Program, there are still ways to make money. You can use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is to promote products or services you love and use yourself, and then you can talk about these products and services until the sun comes down and up the following day. And then you will get like what you call affiliate links and earn a commission for every sale that your affiliate link is going to get from your community members, the ones that want to see you thrive and succeed on YouTube. The other one, which is the biggest money maker for many content creators on YouTube, is sponsored content. This is partnering up with brands for paid promotions, and some of these brands do pay thousands, if not tens of thousands, in other instances hundreds of thousands, and sometimes even millions of dollars, all depending obviously on the type of content you are creating and the size of eyeballs that your videos get, including engagement. So you benchmark the amount of money you're going to make from sponsored content out of the engagement that you get from your videos, as well as the eyeballs that your videos get, will determine your worth. Then the last one is merchandise, where you sell your own merch directly on your channel. As of a year and a half ago, if not 2 years ago, YouTube added this new feature for merchandisers. Before, people used to just tell you about their merchandise and then directly direct you to their website where you can purchase the merchandise. Now there's a merchandise store inside your YouTube channel. So utilize all of that to make extra cash. And then let's go to the last step. These are just tips that I'm going to give you to grow faster and hit the milestones that you busy pursuing right now with your YouTube channel. So now let's get to the quick tips to help you to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time just a little bit faster. The first thing that you obviously need to do, and I'm sure you always hear this preached, post consistently. Consistency on YouTube is the queen. Content is king. Consistency is queen. You better impress the queen with your posting frequency. What do I mean by that? If you are posting once a week on a Monday, make sure that every once a week on Monday, you have a video posted on your channel. If your frequency is 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, make sure that you post exactly that way so that you can reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time quicker and faster. YouTube rewards active channels. That's just a fact. Remember, YouTube is a business and they are in the business of making money. So making sure that your channel is active by posting consistently will work in your favor. Secondly, optimize your videos with good thumbnails and titles to increase click-through rate. Remember the 3 matrix. The 3 matrix that impresses the YouTube algorithm, obviously, it's click-through rate, your audience retention, where your audience watch your videos from the beginning to the end, and garnering you, of course, watch time, and then engagement, which is the third one. Engagement with your audience. That means respond to comments and ask questions in your videos to encourage interaction, because engagement, which is the third most important matrix, is to basically get your community to actively interact with each other, with you, and with the video by liking the video, sharing the video, as well as subscribing and clicking the bell notification, etc., and so on. So I hope this step-by-step process helps you to start monetizing your YouTube channel in 2024, 2025. If you found this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what stage you are at with your channel. What challenges have you put for yourself or set for yourself to monetize your channel? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with the new video. You guys are awesome. Goodbye.